Okay, looking at a roof here in Summerwood. They built these roofs. They caulked in the vents. They used a type of caulking that's not very good. It's starting to crack and deteriorate. So there's a lot of areas of the roof that have to have caulking in place. This roof here, it has a shingle that's missing right here. So you get water seepage coming in through a few different areas. One is the crease line right here and the exposed nails. In this case, the exposed nails went all the way through the shingle. A little close-up view there. And I wanted to point out some issues that a lot of people have been having because water seepage, leaks. So the caulking that's on here, it's time to redo, because see, I just touched that and it fell off. So you can see these little nails that are at the base of the vents here, they have to be caulked in. And you can see also too, you know, they're just really starting to deteriorate. So you shouldn't be able to touch caulking and it falls off like that. They have that caulking in there for a reason. When you have nails that are securing a vent, those nails go into the roofing system. So with exposed nails, you will get water seeping in there, especially during the winter months when ice sits on there. So you can see there's like 4 or 5 nails here. Caulking's gone on this one, and this one's starting to crack. I don't want to touch this because it'll just fall off. But looking at the other vents here, check those as well while we're up here. So you can see, same issue here. This nail head's actually starting to rust, which is another thing too. Once these rust out, then you have a hole in the roof. So this one needs a tune-up. Same thing right here. You can see how this caulking that they used is just so brittle. It's falling apart there. So there's another shingle right here that's missing. Again, same issue. You have exposed nail heads, and then you have a crease line here. So that's where your water gets in. And then there's one more shingle back here. It's been blown off as well. Let's check these other vents and see what they look like. So the roof system is kind of like your car. You know, if you don't change the oil in your car, you'll start having problems. So if you don't get the maintenance done on your roof, you start having problems too. Yeah, again, the caulking's gone on these vents here, so I would say go through the whole roof, re-caulk everything. This one needs a few shingles replaced. Another issue that we see when they built these homes, they installed the boards on the chimney, and it would have been okay, but at the very bottom, they didn't paint the bottom of these boards, so moisture was able to just kind of wick up all the way. And you can see where the board's pulling apart here. There's another area here that has to have caulking on it that's flashing. Some of it's gone, some of it's cracked. But this is a #1 leak problem. And what happens is the water leaks. It goes into the chimney system and builds up moisture pockets in areas. So even though you don't see a leak on your ceiling, the water is going somewhere, and so when it gets into this chimney here, it builds up moisture pockets. So yeah, what we do is we replace these boards. We put in cedar, and then we put in 30-year caulking and repaint it, seal it. It's good to go.